Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to connect your Shopify store with AliExpress in 2023. So if you're looking to expand your products offering on your Shopify store by integrating with AliExpress, AliExpress is a popular online marketplace that offers a wide range of products at competitive prices. Of course, by connecting your Shopify store at AliExpress, you can streamline your product sourcing process and offer a broader selection to your customers. So make sure to stick by and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. First, let's start by opening whatever browser we're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. In my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser, and of course, in your case, you can use any other browser that you could possibly have. Once you open that browser, make sure to go to this URL section and simply type shopify.com and hit the enter button. That should take you into the home screen or main screen of Shopify. And of course, make sure to go, and if you're not familiarized with, or if you're not familiar, or if you didn't familiarize yourself with the websites before, you can simply go and scroll down, read the information about it, and familiarize yourself with it. You can even go and check other pricing plans from here. And of course, if you have an account, you can simply log in into it. But if you don't have an account, you can simply click on sign up now and enjoy the 3 months of Shopify at $1 per month. And of course, you'll even get a free trial without even putting any money before or on it. So if you don't have an account, click on start free trial. Or if you have an account, click on login, which I'm going to do here. And I'm just going to log in into my store. So once I am here, I'm logged in into my account. So the first thing, of course, to connect AliExpress with our Shopify store is to install the Oberlo app. So Oberlo is a Shopify app that simplifies the process of importing products from AliExpress to your store. Make sure to install the Oberlo app from the Shopify App Store and follow the setup instructions to connect it to your Shopify store. Of course, Oberlo will serve as the bridge between your Shopify store and AliExpress. So once you are here in the dashboard or home screen, make sure to go to this list panel and click on this apps option. As you can see, here we'll find just the apps that we already have. So if you didn't have any app, of course, you can simply click on add app as an example and click then on the Shopify App Store. This will open a new tab for you. So once you're here, go to the search apps guidance more and simply here we will have to type Oberlo and hit the enter button. So as you can see, Ali orders AliExpress, so imports products and fulfillment with AliExpress Oberlo. So that's our app. So as you can see, free plan available. So this app has some paid plans, but this app has a free plan. So you can use this for free. And of course, as you can see, popular with business like yours and built for your business. And of course, you'll find information about the app from here. And of course, any features you'll find this here. So find best-selling AliExpress products, selling trending items from trusted sellers, imports AliExpress products, one-click imports with built-in products info editor, push products to store, one-click push all imported products to your store, auto-fulfill AliExpress orders, place hundreds of orders effortlessly in minutes, and easy, fast migrations from these certs in Oberlo. So you can see there's the free plan here. We'll find the plans of it here, and this will come with this feature. And of course, if you want to pay more, you'll of course get more features. So you'll get more imported products, more mapped products monthly, and more fulfillment requests monthly. And of course, the pricement rule will get improved, and yeah, that's it. So you will even have the option to scroll down and see the rating. As you can see, it's 4.8 on 5. That means it's pretty good. Especially it's 1,700 reviews. So as you can see, a lot of people like reviewing is good. So it must be a good thing. So simply click on add app here. And once we click on it, we'll have to go and wait a bit, as you can see. So here we are. So you will have to go and follow those instructions from here once the app is installed to connect our AliExpress website to our Shopify store. So let's just wait a bit here. It should not take a lot of time. And of course, in the meanwhile, if you don't have, as an example, an AliExpress account, you can simply sign up for one. So you can visit the AliExpress website and click on join or sign in to create a new account and provide the required information and complete the registration process. Of course, having AliExpress account is necessary to access the products catalog and place orders. So here, as you can see, let's just go and can we close this? Seems like not. So simply here, we are not going to choose any plan because we don't want any plan. So simply go and click on it and simply go here and click on find products as an example. And can even go to accounts right here and connects our accounts. So as you can see, they're asking me to get or to pay a plan, even they say they have a free plan. So it's not going to be a big problem. As you can see, we're not going to use this or not be able to use it instead unless we pay a plan. So it's not going to be a problem. We can simply close this and go to the App Store again and simply go again and do the same stuff. Type Oberlo below and hit the enter button. And of course, we can go and check for other plans as an example. So as you can see, premium AliExpress dropshipping apps. Let's just check this one as an example. So make sure to check for free ones this time so we don't get any problem as an example. So this is the things as you can see, price free. So simply we can simply add this app and follow the instructions to connect it to our AliExpress. So as you can see, let's just go and install the app now. So let's just close this and wait for this until it's installed. And of course, once it's installed, we'll be able to connect it to our AliExpress. So as you can see, this is we can simply go to the store and connect to our AliExpress. And once we connect it, we'll be able to import products, lists, and a lot of other things. So you can browse and import products as example, and then customize the product details. So after importing example products, you can customize the details, including the product's title, description, pricing, and images within the Oberlo. And once you customize the product details, you can simply click on the push Shopify button to publish the products on your Shopify store. And of course, Oberlo will automatically synchronize the products or sync the products informations, including images, inventory, and prices to your store. You can review and edit the product details within your Shopify admin dashboard if needed. And of course, you'll be able even to manage the inventory and orders. Then you will be able to or make sure to regularly monitor the available of the products you've imported from AliExpress since the inventory is sourced from AliExpress suppliers, and it's important to stay aware of any changes in stock levels. If a product becomes unavailable or discontinued, you can update or remove it from your Shopify store accordingly. And of course, if you reach this point of this video, congratulations! You have successfully connected your Shopify store to AliExpress in 2023 using the Oberlo app or any other app that you can find in the App Store. Of course, by integrating your store with AliExpress, you can easily import products, manage inventory, and streamline order fulfillment. So remember to regularly update your products catalog and monitor stock availability to provide a seamless shopping experience for your customers. So if you like this video, make sure to leave a like down below and subscribe for our channels for more helpful tutorials like this one. So thanks for watching and happy selling, and I will see you in the next video.